Imagine waking up one day. You are 40 years old. You check your phone, scroll social media, watch random videos, complain about life, and suddenly you realize something scary. Half of your life is already gone, but the worst part? You didn't build anything. No big skills, no big dreams, no real progress. Just years of scrolling, delaying, and I'll start tomorrow. And that's exactly how 90% of people waste their life without even realizing it. If you're a student or someone trying to improve their life, this video might change the way you live your next 10 years. Section 1. The Invisible Trap. Why people waste their life. Here's the truth. Most people never understand. Life is not destroyed in one big mistake. It is destroyed by small, daily habits. Wake up late. Scroll phone for 2 hours. Skip studying. Watch Netflix. Promise yourself you'll start tomorrow. Then tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next year. And suddenly, 5 years disappear. Psychologists call this present bias. Your brain prefers short-term comfort over long-term success. Watching reels feels good right now. Studying feels hard right now. So the brain chooses comfort. But successful people do the opposite. They choose temporary discomfort for permanent results. Section 2. The Student Life Illusion. Let me tell you something many students don't realize. Student life is the most powerful phase of your life, but most people treat it like a vacation. Sleep late, waste time, cram before exams. Then after graduation, reality hits. Jobs are competitive. Skills matter more than degrees. And suddenly, everyone wishes, I wish I had used my student years better. Here's the painful truth. If you waste your 18 to 25 years, life becomes 10 times harder later. But if you build skills during this time, life becomes 10 times easier. Your future is literally being built right now.
Let's be honest. Your biggest enemy is not laziness, it's your phone. The average person spends 4 to 7 hours daily on their phone. Think about that. That's 1,500 hours per year. In that time, you could learn a new language, build an online skill, start a business, read 30 books. But instead, it disappears into scrolling. And the scary part? Social media is designed to keep you addicted. Your brain releases dopamine every time you scroll. That tiny pleasure makes you want just one more video. Then suddenly, 2 hours are gone. Section 4. The simple habit that changes everything. You don't need a perfect life to succeed. You only need 3 daily habits. Small habits, done consistently. Habit 1. The 1 hour rule. Spend 1 focused hour every day improving your future. No phone, no distractions. Study, learn a skill, read. Just 1 hour daily equals 365 hours per year. That alone can change your life. Habit 2. Control your morning. Your morning decides your entire day. Instead of grabbing your phone, try this. Wake up, drink water, plan your top 3 tasks for the day. This simple habit improves focus and productivity instantly. Habit 3. The 1% improvement rule. Don't try to change your life overnight. Just improve 1% daily. Study a little more. Waste a little less time. Build 1 small habit. After 1 year, you will become a completely different person. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. 2 versions of you exist. Version 1, you keep wasting time, scrolling, delaying, avoiding hard work. 10 years later, you regret everything. Version 2, you start today. Small habits, daily discipline, consistent learning. 10 years later, you are successful, confident, and proud of yourself. Both futures are possible. The only difference is what you do today. No one is coming to save your future. But the good news, you still have time. And that's your biggest advantage. Remember this, your life will not change in one big moment. It changes in small daily decisions. The decision to study instead of scrolling. The decision to work instead of procrastinating. The decision to improve instead of complaining. Most people will waste their life, but you don't have to be one of them. Start today, even if it's small, because small progress today creates a powerful future tomorrow. If this video made you think or gave you motivation to improve your life, hit the like button so more students can see this message. Subscribe for more videos on focus, discipline, and student success. And comment below, I will not waste my life. I'll see you in the next video.